Hello, welcome to Hinada Water Treatment. My name is John, and here I would like to introduce our multimedia filtration system. This is 80 cubic meter per hour filtration system. The system comes with two pumps. This is for the feeding water, one is for working, and another one is standby, so it can ensure the continuous operation of the system. The system comes with two vessels working in parallel, and each capacity is 40 cubic meter per hour. So the two vessels make it 80 cubic meter per hour. This is the third vessel. Actually, it works as the standby unit. It served during the maintenance or peak demand period, so it can replace it immediately. Make sure the system can work all the time. After the media filtration, the water will go through the precision filters to the micron-level particles to make sure the outlet from the system can meet all the industrial applications. This is the backwash pump. It is used to backwash the filling inside the vessels. Each vessel was controlled by 5 valves. As we can see, this is the inlet valve, and this is the backwash inlet valve. And this is the backwash discharge valve. This is a permeating valve. And the last one is the flush valve. The system equipped with a smart monitoring system. And actually it is PLC controlled. It can work automatically. It makes sure the reliable and stable operation all the time.